Good morning, good afternoon, and or good evening. I am Teresa Gagnon, your yoga guide, and the topic today in the yoga tip is a discussion around grumpiness. When you find yourself grumpy, this is a great opportunity for you to take the deepest breaths in and out and take an account of what is this leading you into trouble pretty much. You're going to be snapping here and snapping there. But where is that grumpiness coming from? Most often we're tired, we're depleted, we're foreseeing a project or something we have to do or say or complete that is really uncomfortable. It's not up to our, perhaps satisfaction, or we don't want to do it and we're doing it out of goodwill. And yet, the reason why grumpiness comes about is usually, and there's infinite possibilities for that, usually because you are depleted. You're not feeling it. You're not feeling that your needs are met. Your cup isn't full. You're exhausted. You're tired. You don't really want to do it. Yet, there are some things you just got to do, and you do them. So in that case, do a lot of compassionate breathing practices in and out, and just say love and compassion, and that'll fill your cup up a little bit more, and a little bit more. But if it's a continuous thing with a similar project or situation or person, then maybe start to look at what are you choosing to commit to that isn't really necessarily vibrating in your frequency, and you are just martyring yourself out to that situation, person, project. Maybe it's time that you learn to say no thank you and start to really meet your needs, providing yourself with the love and care, and knowing when you're moving forward into this world that everything is about you choosing to create, to decide, and to lead. So some of these things that you've already committed to are past things, and maybe you've messed up and you've made some quite big mistakes and you've got to clean up your mess. Go ahead, be honest, clean up your mess, do that, but know that you're not to repeat that again because you've already hopefully have learned from that. Does that make sense? So when you're grumpy, take the time out, mindfully, breathe, meet your needs, give yourself some space, say no thank you, have a real heart conversation with yourself and those involved. Don't be afraid to see what it is that they're going to maybe react. Their emotions might be reactive, but remember, that's theirs. Discernment is important. What's important is that you're honest with yourself. Your soul only wants you to be honest. It only wants you to be in the joy, in the light. There is no need for sacrifices. That's our old paradigm. The more you sacrifice, the harder you work. The more you sacrifice, the more you achieve. I'm saying, that just leads to more grumpiness. I would offer that fill yourself up with love and joy, meet your needs, be honest, do the things that really bring that light into your life, and you'll see that that reciprocation will be all around you. All around you. So a lot around grumpiness. Let us truly invite truth, meet the needs, be kind to yourself so that you could be kind to one another. Yes? From my light to your light, you can always join me in studio here at my location. And or if you're not able to make it at this location, then you can always join me in my subscription at I can't even say my own name, teresagagnon.com for anytime, anywhere practices at the click of a button. Literally, I offer an online yoga practice, as well as I also do private, semi-private teacher training programs, workshops, and even astrology and massage treatments with CBD oil. It's all up to you. Check it out, teresagagnon.com, or send me an email, info@teresagagnon.com, and the world is yours. It really is. You are a gift, and you are meant to explore. So check in with your grumpiness and see how you can smooth it over. Namaste. The lessons are in that. I'll see you in the next episodes, and please subscribe. Thank you.